Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quant's App. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,315.21% up was Nifty 50 futures. 43,630 thereabouts, 0.54% up was Nifty Bank futures, both in the positive territory. Though there was a reasonable volatility during the day, they closed on a positive note. Looking at the SGX Nifty, we are to start at close to 18,250 levels, 61 points down as of now as we speak. Looking at the charts, well, you have 18,500 as a resistance point, and then 18,800, supports being 18,000 and 17,800. Well, the market is poised well enough as of now. There could be corrections, but unless and until 17,600 gets taken out, or this low of 17,800, which is the swing low, gets taken out, that's when trouble starts. Till then, we are in safe territory, and in fact, above 18,500, there is a possibility of taking out of the high, the prior high. Well, looking at the OI picture from built up end, futures OI, you are seeing a long kind of situation there. Earlier, we had a short covering kind of cycle, and now suddenly we are seeing some amount of longs coming in the system. Well, looking at the open interest OI picture, you have 18,200, where substantial call writing and put writing has happened. Supports being 18,000 on the lower side and 18,500, but intermittently 18,400 also witnessed some amount of OI. 18,300 is having a lot of call OI. So there is a concentration of resistances out there, while supports being at close to 18,000 levels and then 17,800 levels. Well, looking at the Bank Nifty charts again. You have 44,200 as the resistance point. 44,000 happens to be psychological level. 44,200, 44,500. On the lower side, you have 43,000 and 42,500 as the major levels for Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty also looking at the RSI and looking at the overall structure of the chart looks better off than Nifty and has been looking better off than Nifty. Well, we have not seen a short come in the built-up scenario as of now. So Bank Nifty, since I think November 27th, we have not seen a single short in the system on a closing basis. Well, 43,500 happens to be a stiff point for Bank Nifty, and post that you have 44,000. Supports being 43,000 as the major support zone where put writing has happened. So you can see that out there. Well, top gainers and losers, HDFC Life, PFC, Lal Path Labs were top gainers. India Bull Housing, M&M Finance, TVS Motors, top losers of the day. Substantial contribution coming in from private banks on the positive side. And then you have NBFCs, which contributed 17.48 points. Private banks contributed 28.44 points in the positive territory. While metals, auto were negative, infra was negative, FMCG was negative, IT was a positive point, 18.12 points in the positive territory. Well, on the built-up, sectoral built-up end, IT, NBFC, Pharma, private banks were on the long side. Media, metal, auto were on the short side. Well, we are looking at ICICI Pru, and this looks positive on the charts. ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई, 480 का लेवल तोड़ता है, तो ये 500-510 की जाने की गुंजाइश है इसकी. और नीचे के बाद जो स्टॉप लॉस है, I mean the major supports on the lower side would be 460, 440 levels as such. तो 440 पे काफी मेजर बेस बना के उठ रहा है ये, तो देखते हैं अभी कैसा इवॉल्व होता है। तो सपोर्ट्स 460 440, resistance is 480, and above that is 500 520 range. So clearly, I mean, we are seeing some amount of positive divergence on the RSI. So let's see how this pans out during the day. ICICI Pru, again, looking at the build-ups, we saw some amount of short covering yesterday. So that's what caused that good bull candle to be formed as such. But overall, we've not seen a short since, I would say, December, thereabouts of December 21st, 22nd. From that range, we have not seen shorts built up. So that was the last short, and post that we have seen long unwinding, long, and some amount of short covering, margin. So looking at the OI picture from options, we are seeing 450 as the current level, thereabouts. 450 is the call OI writing. So major call OI writing has happened at around 500. So that's the level to keep a watch on. On the lower side, you have 460 as the major level. No, it's 450 as a major level where put OI writing has happened. So you have put OI positioned at 450, call OI positioned at 500. Looking at another chart, which is Lotus Labs. Okay, this looks to be in a negative binge, negative direction में जा रहा है, हम bearish mood में हैं chart. So we'll see 375, 380 thereabouts quoting. So 375, 350 levels. These are two major levels on the lower side. 400, 425 are the levels on the higher side. Well, looking at the OI picture, we saw shorts built up earlier on, and then we have some amount of short covering which is happening, which is marginal, which was happening. So we are seeing substantial shorts, and then we have a lot of call writing. So the call writing has happened at around 400, and then 450 levels also. There is a substantial call OI. And supports again, as I pointed out, 360 is the major level on the lower side, 340 the next major level. With no stocks in the ban list, before we wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you that please consult your financial advisor before participating in derivative trades, and also please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. Okay. So we discussed Nifty trading range and Bank Nifty trading range. IT, NBFC, Pharma, we said were long built up, metals, media, auto on the short built up. ICICI Pru with a positive bias, Lotus Labs with a negative bias. Well, and in the ban list, there are none stocks. There are not any stocks in the ban list. That's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.